Coming in.
What's up, channels? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Joey. I'm here with Christopher.
What up, bro?
Some new faces to the channel. We got Jeremy,
What's up?
videographer, photographer. We got Brandon, TikTok star.
This is in the making, yeah. My name is Brandon. What's up, guys?
And then we got
What up?
Dan,
Danny here.
smart boy, goes to Northwestern.
I'm a TikTok star, actually.
You are? Wow. We're headed to Devil's Lake right now. So, I mean, are we at Devil's Lake? I have no idea.
Oh, no, it's just like a little bit. So, like, the road right here, that's where we came on. So, you just keep going straight all the way down that way. That's where the mountain is. And then we drive up this one path. There's, like, a little like lodge or so. And then you have, like, the lake in the middle. It's so super cool. You'll see it later in the video.
That's right.
Hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. And when they strike, we light up the world. Hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. Hearts alive, firestorms, and when they strike, we feel the love. Sparks will fly, they ignite our bones. And when they strike, we light.
Chris in his element, you know, being the photographer he is, taking some pics. I see you, my guy.
Thank you.
Wow, Chris, look at you. Big man. Photographer pulling some female. I see you. Alright, guys, so we are now headed down Devil's Lake. Do I know if I'm in focus? I have no idea, actually. So I'm just kind of guessing at this point.
Oh my god.
But
It's about like a 30-minute walk from all the way down here. So what we did do when walking up, we didn't take the regular path. We took like a trail like this. We climbed up all the rocks, like all like the steep hill. It took us like 30 minutes. It was a quicker route.
no, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
It was
Yes,
way
it
quicker
was.
if we just took the regular route.
You guys were all complaining about it.
Hey,
Me, Jeremy, and Danny over there were just.
I just want to say,
Yeah, we got ahead. We were like booking it. We were just chilling, waiting for you and Chris. But now we're here now.
guys, I just want to say that Chris got a sick photo of me. What's up, my Danny boy? Chris got a sick photo of me.
I appreciate it.
It should be on my Instagram. I don't know. I'm gonna tag him. But we also did some smoke bomb photography, you know. I got the drone. I mean, I don't know how good my footage is, but honestly, I think the mission, today's mission was a success. And what's the plan now?
Going home, going to eat, gonna chill. Call it quits after that.
You heard it there, folks. But I'm gonna end the vlog for today. Be sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow your boy Joey Chan on the Instagram. Links in the description, and everyone else here. All right, adios.